Cosmetic wheel repair.
Derek,
And this is for both new and used, right?
this is both new and used.
Okay.
Derek,
Yes.
when going through the drive-through at a fast food restaurant, have you ever noticed that the curbs are all black?
Now that you mention it, yes.
It's where people scrape their tires and wheels. That and bank drive-throughs are the two most popular places where people scrape their wheels. Now, have you ever scraped an alloy wheel on a curb?
I have.
Okay, I'm going to guess it sort of scarred it up, scraped it, scratched it, gouged it.
Yeah. Gouge and scratch.
Did you look into getting it fixed?
I didn't.
Nobody ever does. But you end up paying for it anyway when you trade or sell a car. However, had you looked into it, you would have discovered it's between $100 and $150 to get it fixed. For the next year, now we don't want you to run into any curbs, but if you do and you gouge the alloy wheel, we will pay to have those wheels fixed an unlimited number of times for you. Okay? So there'll be no money coming out of your pocket. When you go to trade or sell your vehicle, your wheels are going to look better than somebody else's, which will get you a little bit more. So we're going to lower your cost of ownership and increase your resale value. And if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than a year, make sure you check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years.
Awesome.
Okay? Why am I mentioning the extension part?
Because that gives the finance manager.
It sets up the finance manager.
Yeah. Yep.
And if a customer likes it for a year, why wouldn't they like it for 5 years? Okay, what's the next one?
Next we have windshield repair.
Austin, have you ever had a truck kick up a rock or something and star or crack your windshield?
Yeah, my windshield's cracked right now.
Okay. Have you looked into what it would cost to fix it?
No. I can see.
Well,
Whatever.
it probably can't be fixed. The only time those things can be fixed is if you catch them early, because otherwise they spread. Okay? If it's no bigger than $50, it can be fixed. It's about a $75 repair. It's not a lot of money, but we're going to pick up those repairs for you for the next year. Okay? An unlimited number of times. Worst case scenario, we keep your windshield from having to be replaced by your insurance company, which is going to cost you probably a minimum of $500, which is the deductible for most comprehensive policies. And you know what happens when an insurance company when you file a claim?
Yeah.
It goes on. By the way, you can always extend that coverage too. We give it to you for a year, but you can take it out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years.
It's for crack, or it's for like dents, like little ones.
Chips and cracks no bigger than $50.
And,
Okay.
And
if it happens, call the 1-800 number fast, because those things will spread. And if it spreads too quickly, can't be fixed. Your windshield has to be replaced.
okay.
Okay?
And my windshield is